Welcome, everyone, to the wild, wacky world of emotions. You ever feel like you're on a roller coaster of feelings? One minute you're up, the next you're down, and sometimes you're upside down. Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the big question. Why do we have emotions? Spoiler alert, it's not just to make things complicated. So, what exactly are emotions? Imagine emotions as the secret sauce your brain adds to your life. They're like the flavors in your favorite dish. They give everything more meaning. Without them, you'd be living in a world of plain, boring mashed potatoes. Emotions are your brain's way of helping you react to what's going on around you. Whether you're feeling happy, sad, or like you want to flip a table, your emotions are there to guide you. All right, team, let's talk about your roles. Happiness, you're great at keeping us motivated and helping us bond with others. Sadness, you might seem like a downer, but you help us process loss and connect on a deeper level. Anger, you're the one who pushes us to stand up for ourselves when things aren't fair. And fear, well, you keep us alive by making sure we don't do anything too risky, like trying to pet a lion. You all have a purpose, and without you, we'd be, well, lost. Now, emotions don't just sit around. They influence every decision we make. Think of it like this. You're on a game show, and you've got to make the best choice. But here's the twist. Your emotions are the ones buzzing in with suggestions. Should you go for the riskier option because anger says it's worth fighting for? Or play it safe because fear is whispering, what if? Emotions guide our decisions by telling us what matters to us and how we should react. So there you have it. Emotions are the spice of life, the guiding stars in our decision-making, and yes, sometimes a wild ride. But they're also what make life rich, meaningful, and full of surprises. So next time you're on that emotional roller coaster, remember, it's all part of the ride. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the feels.